Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 619. The specified hardware profile configuration is invalid. Error invalid hardware profile on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this error code, the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. Update your operating system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error. So update your OS. From the left side, click on Windows Update. And from the right side, click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading and installation process. After that, check whether your error code is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Update your hardware device driver. Right click on a start button and choose device manager. And here look for any faulty device driver having yellow color exclamation marks against each. And if you not found any yellow color exclamation mark, then update all your device driver one by one. Simply right click on it and choose expand it, right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. So apply this process for all your device driver one by one in device manager. After that, close the windows and check whether your error code is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Open command prompt windows as administrator mode. Now command prompt windows will now open. Here execute these three DISM tool one by one as shown on a screen. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one in command prompt windows after blinking cursor, followed by enter key on each time, and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Thereafter, execute the command sfc / scan now, SCANNOW, and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, restore your system. Open control panel in your system, and here under available control panel items, choose recovery. Here, click on the link, open system restore. Under advanced recovery tools, restore system files and settings page will open. Here you will have a recommended restore, but you have also an option to choose a different restore point. Click on choose a different restore point and click on next. Here you will find a different restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose whether your computer was in good condition. So choose a restore point and click on next. And on the next page, confirm your restore point. Click on finish button and follow on screen instruction to complete the restoration process. It will take few minutes. After that, check your problem should be resolved.